Hello sir, good evening. This is Mylene Ispares from BSN SS3B, and this video is a part of our Module 2 in Geography, and I was tasked to make a video reflection or reflective video following the pattern of what I learned, what I realized, and what will I apply. So first, what I learned. I learned a lot. Specifically that I learned Philippines is an island country of the Southeast Asia and the Western Pacific Ocean, and it is an archipelago with an island of 7,100 and its islets lying along 800 kilometers off the coast of Vietnam. Manila is the capital. It has 15 regions, and Manila is the capital, but the nearby Quezon City is the most populous cities among them all. And both Manila and Quezon City are part of National Capital Region or the NCR, located in the Luzon region, which is the largest island in the Philippines, to be followed by the second largest in Mindanao, and lastly the Visayas. Also, I learned that Japan, the country which I compared my research with, Faith, I learned that Japan is an elongated state and it has a fragmented state. The same with the Philippines, we are fragmented, right? So there are different islands that are located a part of the country. So the main country island include Hokkaido, Honshu, the largest island on which the capital Tokyo is situated, Shikoku, and Kyushu. So this morphology may cause problems such because they are difficult to defend with because of the matter that they are fragmented, right? So we are the same with the Japan. However, I realized that Philippines, among others, other country has the strategic location. This is because the sea area of the country is the main route of marine vessels as well as international route for commercial airplanes that can become the center of the distribution of the goods or the products of different country, or this will serve as the trading post of the rest of the Southeast Asian countries. So after I did this research, I realized that this module or this activity has a great impact to us students of social studies, and it could be a great help. Why? Because our major needs broad knowledge and information. So this area could contribute a lot in having knowledge. So studying political geography is very important. Lastly, what will I apply? So what I learned and what I realized in this activity, I really have to apply them all. When? I really have to apply them all while I am studying as a student of social studies in my subject matter, and after I graduated, when I review and take an examination or the LET, I really have to apply my learnings here, and especially those general knowledge and the time that I have to teach in my field. So in order to teach effectively and efficiently, I really have to be an informative teacher. So those learnings of studying political geography, especially I learned now about Philippines and Japan, they could be great help in my teaching, having those information in teaching geography in my subject. So when will I apply? While I am student, after I graduated, and lifelong while I am teaching, because this major of mine or ours needs further information, further learning. So I really have to apply them all. And I think this module, I really think that one, because it made me an a good researcher one, and a good citizen one. Why? Because I chose my very own country to study first, because I cannot teach about the other countries without knowing my very own. So that's one of the lesson I realized, and I really have to apply. So after all, this module is very creative and informative, and it made me as a student being a good researcher one. So thank you, sir. That would be all. I hope that my reflection video could could be an influence to others also. Thank you and stay safe. God bless, and to God be